Hi everyone, and welcome to another video from DisplayRepair.com. In this video we'll show you how to check the tire pressure on your car and, if needed, inflate or deflate them. It's a quick and easy task that you can certainly do on your own. So stay tuned. DisplayRepair.com. Be sure to visit us at our website DisplayRepair.com, where you can find more useful car and driving tips. In this case, we're going to use an air compressor. It's one of the hobby models, good for using at home, and lots of people have these. It's practical and perhaps the quickest way to do this at home. You can both check the tire pressure and inflate or deflate the tires. There are a couple of alternatives. You can use the old-fashioned manual pump, or you can use the portable 12-volt electric compressor, which is connected to the lighter socket. Also, a good solution is to go to a gas station if you have one nearby. Most of them have air compressors and you can do the check there. What you may also need, if you don't have one already on the tire inflator, is a tire pressure gauge for checking the pressure. It would be best to check the tire pressure while the tires are cold before you start driving. Also, check what the proper tire pressure for your car is. In case of the Skoda, a data table is conveniently located on the gas tank cap. Other common places are the door sill, glove compartment, and of course the user manual. Adjust the tire pressure according to those values and take into consideration factors like if you're going to have more load while driving, is it colder or hotter weather, are you going to drive through snow for instance, and so on. Now for the procedure. First, take off the plastic caps on the valves by turning them to the left. Set them aside at a safe place so you don't accidentally lose them. Connect the tire inflator to the valve. In most cases, this is done by squeezing the metal clip on the connector at the top of the inflator hose. Squeeze the clip and push the connector onto the valve. You'll hear a short hiss as some air will get out but should immediately stop. If it does, that means that the connection is okay. If the hissing of air continues or you can't pump air into the tire, check the connection again. Once the tire inflator is connected, you'll see the pressure on the gauge. If you want to inflate, just press the trigger on the tire inflator and watch the gauge. Inflate until you reach the wanted value. If there's too much pressure, you'll find a release valve on the inflator. It looks like a small button. Just press it until you deflate to the needed value. Once you're finished, press the metal clip and remove the connector from the valve. You'll again hear a short hiss of air when you release the connector. Return the plastic cap on the valve by screwing it to the right. Repeat the same procedure for all the other tires. While you're at it, you can also check the pressure for the spare tire. The same principle is with the pump and portable air compressor, although it's much slower, harder, and overall more inconvenient. My recommendation for doing this would be, if you don't have an air compressor at home, visit a gas station or even a tire shop and you'll do this in a matter of minutes. Checking the tire pressure, as you've seen, is one of the easiest tasks for a driver. It's done in a couple of minutes for all the tires. So, one more reason to do it on a regular basis. The tire pressure is of huge importance, mainly for safety on the road, as the tires are the only car part actually holding you to the road. Also, the proper pressure will significantly prolong the lifespan of your tires over time. It would be good to check the tire pressure at least once a month or when making other regular checkups on your car. So that's it for this time. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe, it's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.